Hi everyone. In my earlier video, we have discussed how to run an application inside the container. So in this video, we will discuss some basic commands, basic Docker commands, and we will start from the version. How to check the version? So first command is docker hyphen version. So what this command does, it is used to check the version of Docker installed on your system. Okay, so currently the Docker version is 23.0.5. Okay, so now the next command is docker pull. Okay, so this command is used to pull a Docker image from the Docker hub. Okay, so suppose if you want to pull the image of Ubuntu from Docker hub, so command will be docker pull Ubuntu. So now default tag is latest. So it will pull the latest image from Docker hub. So what is Docker hub? It is a public registry where all the images are listed. So अभी हमारा Ubuntu इमेज को पुल कर रहा है कहां से? Docker hub से. ओके, सो अब देख सकते हैं हमारे पास डॉकर में करंटली ये हमारे कंटेनर्स हैं एंड ये हमारी इमेजेस हैं. ओके, so it has pulled the Ubuntu latest image from the Docker hub. So now next command is build. Okay, so we have seen earlier the build command. Okay, so to build that, firstly we need to tag that. Okay, so what build command does, it takes the docker file. Okay, जो भी हमारी docker files में instructions रहती हैं उसके basis पे ये हमारी image create कर देता है. Okay, so to build a docker image from a docker file we use build command. Okay, so let's see it. Suppose let's create a image version 7. Okay, so this is the command. This version we have put, and docker file is present in the root path, so we have given dot to indicate it is the root directory. So now it will create image 7. So currently हमारे पास कौन कौन सी images है? These are the images we have. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So now we have created the 7 tag. Okay, so docker build command, it builds a docker image from a docker file. और docker files हमारे contain करते हैं instructions image बनाने के लिए. Okay, इस image में हमारे पास ये instructions होती हैं. Okay, so you can see 1 2 3 4 and now we have 7th version. Okay, but version should be like in the serial wise 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Okay, so now we have created the image. So docker images is the command to list all the docker images available in our system. So docker images जैसे ही हमने क्लिक किया तो हमारे पास देखो ये सारी images already है सिस्टम में. 1 2 4 3 4, these are the versions. ठीक है, image name is my node, here the version is 4th. This is the image we just created, my node, and tag 7 means version 7, and this is the image ID. Okay, so now there is one more command, docker ps. What it does, it will list all the running containers. Okay, so let's see all the running containers. These are the running containers. Okay, इन द लेफ्ट साइड आप देख सकते हो कि ये सारे हमारे कंटेनर्स हैं currently. But if you want to see all the containers, this is showing only running containers. But if you want to list the stopped containers also, okay, so the command is docker ps -a. It will list all the running and stopped containers. Okay, so you can see all the containers are listed. इसमें जो भी रनिंग है और स्टॉप है सभी हमारे कंटेनर्स लिस्ट हो चुके हैं. Okay. Okay, if we want to stop, let's see the running container. Which are the running container? Docker PS. So these three are the running containers. And if we want to stop the running container, so the command is, let's copy it. Firstly, container ID. Let's copy it. We will stop this one. Okay. Docker stop. This is the command to stop the running container. Currently it is up. Okay. So docker stop command is stopping the running container. So it is stopped now. Okay, because it has returned this container ID, it means it has stopped. So if we again click the docker ps, this container ID will not be present here because it is now stopped. So if you want to see this ID, command will be docker ps -a. So here you can see this docker is exited. Now it has stopped. Okay. So we have used docker stop command to stop the running container. And if you want to run it again, let's copy the container ID. Okay. And the command will be docker start container ID. It will start the container. Or command docker rm. It will remove the stopped containers. So here, what is the way stop container? Let's see. This one we want to stop it. Okay. Let's stop this one. Docker stop. So docker stop command will stop the running container. Okay, it has stopped. Now let's check all the containers again. Okay, so this one is stopped. And one more command, docker rm. So what it will do, it will remove a stop container. So docker rm, and let's place the container ID. So this stop container will get removed. Okay, so let's do docker ps a. So you will not find this container ID in the list of containers. Okay, so it has removed. And let's say we want to remove the image. So let's click docker images. We will see all these images are there. And if you want to remove some particular image, docker rmi. So this is the command to remove the image. Let's say we want to delete my node and version 7. So it will remove this image untagged. Okay. So if you click on docker images, this 7 tagged image will not be there. Okay. So you can see 7th version is not present now. Okay. And if you want to execute the commands inside a running container, okay, so the command will be docker exec -it. Then we will write the container ID. Let's copy this container ID. Okay, then bash. So what it will do, it will execute the command inside the container. Okay, you can see here the working directory is usr src app. Okay, so this is the root path inside the container. Okay, so we can see all the packages. You can see docker file package json server js all are here. Docker network ls. So what it will do, it will list all the docker networks. So currently these are all the networks present. These are the network IDs. Okay, and let's see one more command, docker volume ls. It will list all the docker volumes. So currently there are 2 volumes, docker volumes, it has listed down. Okay. and there are some prune commands also that are helps for cleaning. So जो भी हमें clean करना होता है environment, okay, so हम use करते हैं prune commands. So one command is docker system prune. What it will do, it will remove all the unused containers, networks or images. So when we want to clean up our system and remove the unused resources, we can use this command docker system prune. Okay, so what it has done, it has cleaned up our system and removed the unused resources. We can write hyphen all also. What it will do, it will remove everything that is not actively being used. So कोई भी हमारे पास unused images है उनको भी ये remove कर देगी. So docker system prune all. And there is one more command, docker image prune. What it will do, it will remove the unused images. We can click yes. Okay, so total reclaimed space 0 byte. Okay, so all the unused images it has removed. Okay, similarly we have docker container prune. It will remove all the stopped containers. Okay, spelling is wrong, wait. So all the stopped containers will get removed. Click on yes. Okay, so total reclaimed space 0 it has removed all the stopped containers. Similarly we have docker volume prune. What it will do, it will remove all the unused volumes. Okay, so total reclaimed space 0 Similarly we have docker network prunes. Docker network prune, so it will remove all the unused networks. Okay, so we have discussed some basic commands, and one more thing, always double check before using the prune commands, especially hyphen all, because they will remove all the resources that we do not want to delete. Okay, so we have discussed all the basic commands in the Docker.